This reminder to stop at crossings has been made by the World Bank. Thank you, the World Bank, the IMF, and IDOI. We can trust all of you. Everything you need for Laotian homeopathic medicine. Oh, lotions and potions and roots and shoots, vines. Let's go to the mall. It's not a bender, it's a vacation from your vacation. There's different things, okay? Good afternoon, everyone. Steph here. Welcome back to the channel. 10 Plus Steph. If you're here, you're here. It's amazing. I'm happy that you are, because we just landed in Vientaine, which is the capital of the People's Democratic Republic of Laos. It is the only real city in Laos. I have zero plans. I'm only going to be here for a few days, then I'm going to go south and do some motorbike stuff. I'm going to run around here for a couple of days and I will take you guys with me. The mighty Mekong River over there. There's a brand new expressway, so the trip from Vientaine to Vientiane, it only took like 2 hours in the minivan. It was sweet and easy, no bumps, no dirt, just brand new international highway, which is very cool. And Ellie's. This is what we ended up getting. This place was really expensive. This was like $58 a night, so it is in my budget, but it is at the top end of my budget, and I don't like to spend this money, much money on a hotel, because I would rather spend it at the local shops or the restaurants, or like, I want to spread the money out a little bit, and so when it's taking this much out of my daily budget, it's like, then I don't have it to spread the love, which I like to do, and I don't need a big bed, and I don't need an AC, but I'm going to enjoy it, and it's got a nice bathroom too. All right, we're close to the river. I washed up a bit. I might put on some different pants and let's go. Let's just go check it out. And there's a good view. Such a quick history lesson. It's not even gonna be boring, I promise. This city was founded to 1000 AD. Let's put it CE. And became the capital in 1563. Was burned down by the Siamese in 1827. So everything was burned down in 1827, and then it's been rebuilt since. And the French got here in 1893, and it doesn't say here, but I know that they left in 53. So, now we know what we're talking about. Sure. It is Sunday afternoon, but a little bit quiet around town, which is fine by me. It's a pretty decent walking city. It is real hot. It's like 96 today, so not the best day, and Steph's just coming off what we might call like a little vacation that I took. It's not a bender, it's a vacation from your vacation. There's different things, okay? Palace Presidente. El Presidente. Oh yeah, there's that big monument thing that I can't pronounce. Pong Sway, or I don't know. We'll go see it. Let's go see it. Although it's pretty at night, but we'll go. I know colonialism is bad, but damn if the buildings just don't look lovely. This French architecture here and then kind of all over Laos, it's like, yeah, it fucking sucks that the French were here or whatever, but oh damn, those buildings look good. I see a stupa that survived those damn feudal Siamese over here. Ooh, this is neat. All right, so we have the beautiful stupa pagoda here, which on the other side of it there is what I assumed is an unhoused woman who appears to have quite a bad, what looks like a crack cocaine habit, who was asking for a lighter because she's trying to smoke. I gave her my lighter and some water and a little hug because it looked like she hadn't had one in a while. So, but this is cool. This is real cool. Oh, and just like elsewhere, like we've seen in these videos in Thailand, you reuse your old, you have a perfectly good temple right here, so you still use it in your religious ceremonies. It's still, you know, it's part of the architecture. It's just built in. It was built around it because it survived those damn feudal Siamese. I wish it had an age on it. It does not. When I swung back around, it wasn't crack, it's meth. Of course it's meth. It's Southeast Asia. Yeah, it's fucking cheap. I don't think they have crack here. I'm not sure. That seems like stupid expensive. But meth, yaba. It's called yaba in Thailand. I don't know what it's called in Laos, but it's everywhere. Let's go to the mall. There's air conditioning at the mall. You guys want to see what a mall in the capital of Laos looks like? Let's go. Just in this one store, you can get Adidas, Calvin Klein, Balenciaga. I mean, you can get everything for so cheap, too. The prices are amazing for luxury goods. I can't even imagine. Direct from Italia, I'm sure. Versace jeans for $4, obviously. Just monks shopping for appliances, as they do. Oh, is this the other? We made it to the back side of this mall. Everybody's jewelry shopping. A working escalator. Whee! This is it. This is the main hub, but it's the main hub of the city. It's like the financial government stuff, so it's a weekend. It's going to be sleepy anyway, but the city's pretty much always pretty sleepy. But this is as busy as it is on a 3:30 on a Sunday. Here's the United Nations. Ooh, ah. See, they let me film. My own embassy wouldn't let me film it, but the UN will. Thank you, UN. Nice one. These are treasures that I like. Silver coins and boat money. a fountain, a pretty light up fountain at night. I'm gonna walk back down here at night, so I'll show you. I don't know what it says, but I like it. I'm fairly sure that these are things that when they were like rehabbing the temple, if you give a donation, you get to put your name on it. I think that's what that is, or like an in memoriam. It was like literally as soon as you step through the gate, it's like city traffic and tranquil, lovely temple with monks playing hacky sack with a water bottle. Yeah, these ladies have all the traditional jungle medicine. Everything you need for Laotian homeopathic medicine. Oh, lotions and potions and roots and shoots, vines. Smells really, really good. And I'm sure like the teas and stuff are tasty and probably don't hurt you. So it might be worth trying. I've got a bit of a bad belly myself, but I think anything they give me is probably gonna make it worse. Maybe somebody fancy police escort. Speaking of police escort, check out the police bike. Listen. Oh, Chop couldn't motorcycle. He's good. Listen, I don't know though. Lifan. China, okay. Very cool. 150cc?
150cc.
150, okay. Very cool. Yeah, it's 150. Oh, good day. Very cool. I think they're filming a music video. She's lip syncing along. So. And this is the heart of the tourist district right here. Hence the Cafe Amazon, which actually has a really nice lychee soda and is really yummy, but I'm not gonna get it because it's expensive. The Lao News Agency. And Chinese construction of a DoubleTree by Hilton. Sure. And a Hard Rock Cafe. See, at night things start to pick up a little bit because it's cooler. It's a lot cooler now, even though it's only 6 o'clock. The Mekong River is right there. It's very, very, very low, so it doesn't start until like all this gets flooded. Wherever you see green, like that gets flooded or when the river rises. And then everything you see across the river, that is Thailand. So Laos, Thailand, and it's carnival. Let's check it out. how many children get injured seriously or killed, but there's no insurance here, and that doesn't matter. It just happens. It just happens. So much carnival childhood. Oh, there are horsies. I think they're having some kind of horsey get together. Is it wrong that seeing Thailand makes me want to go back to Thailand? Parking for events like this is a little easier when everybody just has a motorbike. And of course that wonderful Honda Wave 100. The bike of choice around here, the bike of reputation. Fantastic machine. Not only is that carnival and that horsey thing going on, it's the night market. The night market's busy every night, and it's all the same parking for the same spot. Lifted Crocs with the, what do they call it? The little things that you put in, and it has like a silly name. You can get Nike and Gucci here. And Fendi. Wow, so cheap. $2 for a Fendi t-shirt? So what separates this walking street from the one in Luang Prabang or in Vientiane or even in Chiang Mai is this is not for tourists. If there were no tourists, this would still be here. Like 95% of these stalls are for local people that live in Vientiane. And of course, the United States of Boston, established 1997. Sure. Made it to 6:30. That's not bad. I just spent a week partying, you guys. I made it till 6:30. I do need to eat something. I've had one very small meal today, but I have had some tummy problems for about 4 days. And I have potentially a 12-hour bus ride tomorrow, and I'm just thinking, you know what? Maybe I don't eat anything today. But ironically, my favorite restaurant in this town is Indian food, and I've always had really, really good luck with it belly-wise, so maybe I'll just get a little bit of dal. No, that's probably hard to digest. At any rate, whatever. Goodbye. Thank you. Welcome to Vientiane. Isn't it amazing? It's wonderful. Definitely come spend a couple days here. I'll go shoot some stuff in the morning too, so this might not be goodbye. This won't be goodbye. We're gonna come back with round 2 right now. I don't think it's here anymore. But that fucking Big Bank, bro. They paid to put those signs up about crosswalks. They didn't pay to paint the fucking crosswalks, though, did they? No. I have to endanger myself.